turbines at an average temperature of 53 to 55
Tiger, this way, Tiger, look
degrees.
Look at this, Tiger. Whoa, whoa, look at that.
At the base, you see two long buildings, one on each side of the canyon. These house the 17 generators that...
Which one you want? Oh, you got two already? What you got? Mickey Mouse, and what is that? Tiger. Tiger, what are you getting? You getting chip? Tiger wanted pizza, but pizza place is closed, guys. Hang on. Yeah, the pizza place is closed. So Tiger wanted chip. You want that, Tiger? Baby, what you want, baby? That's what baby want, mommy. That's what you want. You want the Mickey Mouse pop up? There you go. Let's get something for the road. Baby penguin, baby, look. Baby. Hey, penguin. He love. He love. He love. Cute. Huh? Oh, that's a polar bear. That's his butt. That's polar bear. Look at that guy. Whoa. Polar bear. You see that? Yeah. Polar bear. Yeah. I don't know. What did they give you? 7141? Oh, no, it is. Oh, yeah, it's going up. Yeah, it's going up.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's a long walk. Hang on, baby. Hey guys, we're here at Hoover Dam with Tiger and baby Seth. Now we're going down the stairs. Yeah, hold hand, guys. Going down. Oh, look at that Hoover Dam! Wow. What floor we on, mommy? I forgot what floor we're on. Oh, I know what floor we're on. Look at this. We just walked straight down. We didn't really Let's go, baby. Hold your hand. Let's go down. Where we going, baby? We're going to the Hoover Dam. Baby Seth, tickle box. Tickle box is going to the Hoover Dam with Tiger, big brother Tiger. Let's go, baby Seth. Mommy need the walking. Mommy need the walking, guys. So, guys, we're going to the observation deck to see the Hoover Dam. Let's go. Thank you. Yeah. Here. Oh yeah. Okay, here it is. Go up here. Here, go up here. That's a workout, huh, mommy? Brother, here you go, brother. Let's go. Okay, thanks. All right, up here. Oh, this is. Hold hand, hold hand. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh. Now that's nice. See ya, guys. We're at Hoover Dam. Whoa. Baby. Baby's brother. Baby, come here. Baby, what are you doing? Come here. Whoa. Whoa, what is that, Tiger? What is that? What's that, baby Seth? Oh, good job. Wow, Tiger. Oh, Tiger, look at this. Tiger, look at this. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, but see it, baby? See it? Right there. See it? Wow. Hi guys, so we're here at Hoover Dam with baby Seth. Whoa, look at that Hoover Dam, Tiger. Tickle box. Tickle box. You see that? What? Oh, what is that? That's supposed to be a TV. Wow. Wow, look at that. Mom, see it, mommy? You see that?
This is safer.
It's safer, huh?
I'm not.
No, no, I don't go out there. I'll be back. You watch him, baby.
Well,
I'm go out there. I'm go out there. Oh, guys, look at that. That's the Hoover Dam. Yeah, that's the little model. Look at that. That's the Hoover Dam right there. That's a fever bridge, baby. That's for the water right there. Oh, so both. So that's where the water come out from. See, this is the one to rebuild the water there to diverse the dam. What's that, Tiger? What are you doing? What, baby? Oh, you want to see? Want to see? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Whoa, guys, this is where the museum.
on top of that, in the first few weeks, we received 12,000 letters of inquiry from members.
Wow, look at that. That's the cement mixer. Baby, Tiger, come on, baby Seth. Look at that. From the riverbed to a construction site. Hi, Tickle Box. Hello, Tickle Box. Hello, Tickle Box. Where we at, Tickle Box? We're at the museum. Yeah, Tickle Box Museum. Oh, look, Tiger. It's a miniature Hoover Dam, dude. That's how they built it, there, Tiger.
Miniature Hoover.
Yeah, that's how they built it. See?
They have houses down there.
Wow. That's cool.
I'm gonna take it.
No, don't touch. Come on.
Oh, they built from the ground up.
Yeah, see right there? Oh, a time lapse. Wow, that's cool.
What? A time lapse?
Yeah, they got time lapse. Yeah.
I don't know.
Look at that.
Look at it.
Amazing.
Yeah. See how they built it? Whole bunch of cement.
Layer by layer.
Wow. Oh, look at this, Tiger. Tiger. Inside view, electricity. Oh. Oh, this is the magic, baby. Wow, look at this. Look at this. This is huge. Oh, look. The power grid. Look, it go all the way up to Seattle.
Look, the same
Wow. Huh?
the same lane to Hoover Dam.
No, what are you doing? There's no power now, Tiger.
Yeah.
No power. What are you doing? Oh, that's what those those are there. That's the one what those do. So the water go in there, and it come out, pump out.
Well, looks like I disabled everything. Now it looks like it's not gonna pop out.
Oh no, look at the windmill too. They got the windmill.
Oh, turn off the windmill. Good
Turn out
job.
the windmill. Yeah.
Okay, they should be turning off. We gotta go
Oh
see
no, it's no
outside.
power. How much power we're down? We're down how many power? It's telling you right there. Look. Supply down. Tiger. Oh, Tiger, look at the home. Turning off. Baby, see, baby. Baby.
Let's go. Turning off the
Tickle
power.
box. Where you see tickle box?
No more power, guys.
Yeah.
No, I'll try.
Guys, welcome to Tickle Box. Today we learn about the Hoover Dam.
Yep, this is the power right
So
here.
this is what the Hoover Dam is right here, and this is all the power grid. Tiger will demonstrate how to turn on the Hoover Dam.
Yep, I'll
Let's
turn
do
it
it.
on.
There you go. See how he's turning it on? See where the water running through? It generates power, guys. And Baby Steph's still on the windmill right now.
There you go.
Baby Steph got a good job. Oh, then that's where they go fishing. You can go fishing here, Tiger. Oh, what's that?
There
A power
you go.
grid.
The power's on.
Yeah.
Power.
Cool.
Let's go with that power.
Oh, what happened? What happened, Baby Steph? Yeah, the Hoover Dam.
Oh, the solar panel. Or the quick one.
I don't know.
Let's go.
I think it's really strong.
Yes. No, wait. Let's turn off the thing.
Wow, look at that.
To Mexico. It flows through some of the driest regions of the country and often the hottest. The Colorado River is their lifeline. For centuries, people have used its water for drinking, fishing, and watering their crops. The Colorado River had unpredictable periods of
Cool, huh, Baby Steph?
drought. This made living near the water difficult and often dangerous for the people who depended on it. In 1902, the federal government created
Let's go,
what
Vic.
became the
Let's
Bureau
go.
of Reclamation. It would manage the water and
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, guys, this is the rock, the Hoover Dam rock right here. Look at this. It's the solid. Huh, Tiger?
Yep.
Huh, Baby Steph? Solid rock. Look at this. Look at that. That's solid with that, Tiger.
Yeah.
Wow, it all whipped there. Look. Wow.
I want peanut butter? Just a little, no, little in your chocolate. Peanut butter.
Tiger, let's go. Tiger, you ready? Yeah. Come on. What are you eating, boy? Oh, that? Eat it, cute, man, cute. Super cutie. Yeah, super cutie. Ay. Super cutie. Yay. Super cutie. Yay. Tickle box. Tickle cutie. We're eating pizza today, guys. Right there. We finished already. Tiger ate it. Tickle box ate it. Now he's still eating. But there. Tickle box still eating. Yeah. Drink your juice. Drink your juice. Yeah. We'll buy pizza right there, guys. Side piece. Pizza. Yeah! Look at the guy. Look at that. Tickle box, where you at, huh? Where you at, tickle box?
No.
Tickle box. Ooh, guys, look at that. Whoa, look at the swimming pool. Whoa. Tiger, what are you doing? Whoa. Whoa, Tiger. Whoa. Whoa. Tiger. Tiger, look at the swimming pool, guys. So this is a hotel swimming pool. We didn't get to go swimming because they closed the fence. And it's also cold, so they don't allow swimming right now. Hey, Ty, go sleep on the bench. Ty, go sleep on the bench. Come on, you and baby, baby Steph. All right, guys. So come by Red Rock Hotel. It's family oriented. Great for family vacation. Okay, let's go sleep there, Tiger. Baby, go sleep, baby. Tickle box, gonna go sleep there. Let's go, tickle box. Come on. Okay, go sleep. Sleep there, Tiger. Go, yeah, there we go. Sleep down now. Sleep, go sleep, baby. Sleep, baby, sleep. Yeah, okay. Come on, take a picture. Lay all the way back, Tiger. Lay all the way back. All the way back, come on. Get up, baby. Let's go. All the way back. No, go ahead all the way up top, Tiger. Come on, baby. Head on top, come on. Let's go to follow Tiger, big brother. Look at the Tiger. Let's follow Tiger and baby brother. What the? Baby brother. Ooh, baby brother. Look. Whoa. Awesome. That's awesome. Whoa, see that, baby Seth? Yeah, awesome. Look at him. Whoa. Awesome. Watch out, Kevin. Don't fall, Tiger. Whoa. Look at this. Oh, look at this, baby stuff. Whoa. Whoa. You see that? Tiger, don't go in it. Tiger, don't go in it. The guy's there. The guy's cleaning. Whoa. Ah, that's Tiger. Behind you over there. He's over there. Okay, let's go inside. Tiger. Tiger, what happened? Tiger, put it back on your thing. We should probably wrap. Man up, Tiger. Man up.
What's up, guys? If you like this video and like to see more video, please subscribe and like, please. Thank you.